Hi ladies, so I wanted to show you this order right here before it ships out tomorrow. Check these out. These are high quality ribbon. I do have characters available. As you can see, these are all new, just added to the Etsy shop. And check these out. I have these available. This one here, I'm almost sold out. I only have a few left. And these are sold 5 yards each. So yeah. Oh, and the raisin, as you can see, these are high quality, beautiful raisins. These are perfect centerpieces that you can add to a hair bow. So this one here is one of my best sellers. This one does have a matching raisin planner. So this one here is a 1.5 inches across. These are 7/8, right? All of these. Oh, look at this one. Such a beautiful ribbon. Yes. Then we have baby shark. Ooh, and I do have a few left of these right here. This one does have a resin planner. Let me get it to show you. It's already packaged. I'm sorry, they are packaged just to keep them safe, but they're high quality. Here's this one. That one would go perfect with that ribbon right there. Check that out. Beautiful. Okay, so here are some 3 and 2 inches, and I think this Lion King here is 1.5 inches across. They do all have a matching raisin planner except these right here. So these are 7/8, and they do have a matching raisin planner that you can choose. Look at that, such a beautiful ribbon. So thank you so much for watching, ladies. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, if you're interested in some of these ribbons, just message me or check out the link down below and it'll take you directly to my Etsy page.